Hi, I'm going to present to you today about the one-step equation, how to solve it. So let's go ahead with and solving some of the examples, okay, of the equation examples now. Let's open the new. All right. For example, if I have the equation x minus 5 equals 3, right? So how to solve this? So you can say 5 less than the numbers equal 3. So what is that number, right? So in order to undo the minus 5 here, you need to put in the inverse operation. Because the purpose is to isolate so that you have isolate on the left. So in order to undo the negative 5, you have to do the opposite or inverse of minus 5, which is plus 5, right? Plus 5. Okay? And now when you do minus 5 and plus 5, you cancel out, you become 0 here. So the left side, you only have x, and then you can have equals. Now you have the right side, you have 3 plus 5 equals 8. Okay, so that is the first question example. Let's do with the second example. I have x plus 5 equal negative 3. Alright, again, the purpose is to isolate so that you have isolate on the left. So how do you isolate? You have to undo plus 5 by putting the inverse of plus 5, which is minus 5. And then you have to do the same thing to the right side, minus 5, right? Remember, you have the equal side in the middle, right? When you plus 5, so plus 5 and minus 5 cancel out. So you have x solely on the left, and the answer is negative 3 minus 5, right? Negative 3 minus 5. So if you have negative 3 here, you call this is negative 2, right? And this may be 0 here. So if you minus 5, remember you have to move to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is, so if this should be negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, and negative 8, right? The answer is negative 8. Right? Okay. Next question. This is I have 4x equals negative 12. Okay, how to solve for x? To solve for x, you need, this is multiply, right? 4 times x. So you need to isolate, so you have isolate by doing the inverse of multiplication, which is divide. You divide by 4. You divide by 4, right? That means x is negative 12 divided by 4 is negative 3, right? Negative divided by positive, you get a negative. Right, let me do one more. Oh, by the way, I'm going to check it with you, right? Let me check. We need to check to make sure that this is correct, right? So to check it, you copy the original equation, which is 4x equal negative 12, right? And now you know that x equal negative 3. So you put x equal negative 3 to the become x there. So 4 times negative 3, right? You know that 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. So it's equal to negative 12. So this is correct. Okay? Correcto. All right, let's go to the next example. Negative 3x equal negative 9. Okay? All right, so this is the x side. So you need to divide negative 3. Divide by negative 3, right? And then x equals negative divided by negative, we got a positive. So it would be positive 3, right? Because negative 3. Oops. If x divided by 2 is 5. How do you 5? So this is divide, you need to multiply by